Each chicken batch is logged, weighed, and assigned a traceability code.
Color and smell are good. Texture is firm.
Agreed. I'll make a note on the sheet.
The chicken is released for processing only after full approval.
Grinding temperature is tightly controlled. Different chicken meat cuts are blended for uniform flavor.
Chicken fat ratios are adjusted for tenderness in industrial grinders. The mixture is constantly monitored for consistency.
Water or ice may be added the chicken mince to maintain juiciness. Mixing speed is precisely controlled.
Chicken mince mixing ensures identical nuggets every time. Seasoned meat is sent to forming machines.
Pressure molds ensure uniform density. Excess chicken mince is recycled back into the system.
Nuggets are dipped into liquid large batter. Batter helps breading stick properly.
Different crumb sizes add crunch. Fully coated chicken nuggets are evenly covered.
Breading machines recycle loose crumbs. Coating thickness is automatically controlled.
Nuggets enter industrial fryers or ovens. High heat seals the outer coating. Inside remains partially raw for safety.
Nuggets oil temperature is carefully controlled. Excess oil is drained after frying. Cooking time is precisely timed.
Nuggets color is monitored for consistency. Fully formed crust locks in moisture.
IQF prevents nuggets from sticking together. Texture and flavor are preserved.
Nuggets freezing happens within minutes. Internal temperature drops rapidly.
Ice crystal formation is minimized. Nuggets remain loose and free-flowing.
Nuggets labels include ingredients and nutrition facts. Batch codes ensure traceability.
Nuggets reach supermarkets safely. Quality remains unchanged until cooking.
Go on, dig in.
Wow, that is so good. The crunch is perfect.